Welcome back to our channel, fellow creators. Today we're diving into the world of photorealistic character creation with the amazing tool Humanify. With Humanify, creating ultra-realistic human skins in Blender is as easy as one click. Yes, you heard it right. Just one click. Imagine the potential, the realism, the intricate detail brought to life effortlessly. And here's the real kicker: Humanify updates with new pre-made skins every month. It's like Christmas for digital artists all year round. You can use these to give your characters that much-needed edge, that lifelike quality that wows your audience. So, if you're ready to up your game in Blender, make sure you stay tuned, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Together, let's bring our characters to life with Humanify. Attachify Pro, a physics-based modeling add-on that is redefining the way you interact with your digital creations. Imagine pressing the J key and instantaneously generating dynamic curves over your object. This tool allows for a fluid connection between objects, making your modeling process smoother than ever before. But that's not all. With a simple press of the Y button, you can draw lines that wrap your objects seamlessly, giving you the perfect finish every time. And if you're looking for variety, Attachify Pro offers over 25 curve types with customizable parameters. Think ropes, plants, chains, and even sci-fi curves. To top it all off, the add-on gives you complete control over your simulations. You can hide and reveal them at your convenience, ensuring a clear view of your dynamic creations. Ever felt bogged down by the tedious process of cleaning up meshes when you import models from other software or online? Well, we have a solution. Introducing Instant Clean, the ultimate mesh clean add-on for Blender. Yes, you heard right. It's a single-click solution that will save you precious time and effort. But that's not all. Instant Clean also features an easy-to-use preset system, making it more user-friendly and efficient. So why wait? Start automating your mesh clean process right away and make your Blender life easier. True Terrain 5. This isn't just an upgrade, folks. It's a revolution in terrain creation. Imagine being able to create terrains that are so real, so detailed, you could almost feel the chill of the mountain air or the heat of the desert sun. With True Terrain 5, it's all possible. Built from scratch, this beauty harnesses the power of procedural generation and geometry nodes to provide an all-in-one terrain creation suite that's going to blow your mind. Creating cars from scratch is a tough job. It takes countless hours, and yet, the results might not always be what you envisioned. But what if there is a way to skip the hassle and jump right into the fun part? Introducing Traffic, your new best friend. Traffic is an ever-expanding library of realistic, optimized vehicle assets. We're talking a wide variety of cars and a treasure trove of traffic-related assets, ideal for architectural visualizations, environmental design, and rendering streets or other scenes. It's not just a time saver, it's a game changer. So why waste time when you can drive your creativity to the next level? Mix Damage, a tool that brings your 3D models to life with 24 procedural destructions and materials. Imagine you're creating a cityscape and want to add that realistic, lived-in feel. With Mix Damage, you can easily add destruction of varying degrees to your buildings, streets, and structures. Want to show a brick wall with some wear and tear? Or maybe a ruined surface that tells a story of a past battle? With just a few clicks, Mix Damage lets you do just that. And the best part? You can mix and match the destruction for more realistic damage. How cool is that? But that's not all. This powerful add-on also allows you to add internal damage like brickwork, stone walls, and steels with procedural materials. So, if you're ready to take your Blender creations to the next level, stick around as we explore all that Mix Damage has to offer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Divine Cut, a smart cloth generator for Blender. Imagine being able to design sleek, stylish, and realistic clothes for your models without having to spend hours manually creating each detail. Well, with Divine Cut, you can This tool is revolutionizing the fashion design process in the 3D world by providing an array of customization options, allowing you to tailor the style and behavior of the garment with just a few clicks. So, whether you're a seasoned 3D artist looking to streamline your workflow or a beginner excited to experiment with fashion design, Divine Cut is your ultimate solution. Agedfx Procedural Shaders. Picture this: you're working on a project, you've got your model ready to go, and you're thinking to yourself, I wish I could add some unique effects to this. Well, with Agedfx, you can do just that. This tool offers over 35 pre-designed procedural shaders presets. Yes, you heard that right, 35 plus. And the best part? You can add these effects with just one click. But it doesn't stop there. Agedfx is highly customizable. Want to layer multiple effects on your materials? No problem. With the Agedfx Assets browser, you're the master of your design. You can add, layer, and manipulate effects however you desire. So why settle for less when you can create more with Agedfx? Ever wondered how you can add that authentic aged look to your 3D objects or scenes in Blender? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. Agedfx is your ultimate game changer. An all-in-one toolbox that lets you add stunningly realistic aging effects with just a few clicks. Whether you're working on a rusty vintage car, a weathered old house, or an antique artifact, Agedfx is your go-to tool to add that perfect touch of time. But that's not all. Agedfx isn't just about individual objects. You can apply these effects to entire scenes, adding atmospheric details that can take your project from good to breathtaking. And the best part? Agedfx takes care of all the tedious tasks, so you can focus on unleashing your creativity. So, digital artists, are you ready to add a whole new dimension to your Blender projects? Check out Agedfx now. Simply Cloth Pro. This is your must-have tool to make cloth simulations a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned Blender user or just dipping your toes in, Simply Cloth Pro is here to make your life a lot easier. This add-on is designed to simplify and fast-track the setup process, making your workflow quicker and more user-friendly. With a wide array of presets to choose from, you can customize to your heart's content without having to dive deep into complex cloth physics settings. Crafted to enhance your workflow efficiency, Simply Cloth Pro is perfect for quick setup and testing of cloth objects in Blender. So, whether you're a beginner or a pro, you're guaranteed a smoother and more efficient experience with Simply Cloth Pro. So, what are you waiting for? Boost your Blender game with Simply Cloth Pro today.